As already informed to you, I have just taken the first question of Human Resource Management MPA-014 and have tried to answer that so that you will be able to know the number of words I have covered, such that the minimum 500 words that could perhaps be written by you in the examinations could be from among the words that the word answers that I have provided. Human resource management definitions. I have given the definitions by Edwin Fipo. Human resource management, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling procurement and all these things as per of the people at work. And I have also given the definitions by the National Institute of Personnel Management of India. And in addition to that, Dizenzo and Robbins' definitions of human resource management I have covered. And in order to see that, I have just tried to find out that the emphasis is made only on two things: the definition of human resource management, and now its objectives and scope. So what we are supposed to concern here about our answer is, we have to define human resource management, we have to outline the objectives, and we have to furnish the scope the human resource management has got as of date. And that is how I have tried to do this. And as far as the objectives are concerned, I have just tried to take around 15 objectives, wherein you will be able to, at least if you keep writing repeatedly, I am very sure you should be able to be available, or rather have in your memory at least 10 to 12, which should suffice the answer. So to help the organization to attain its goal effectively, to utilize available human resources, to help maintain ethical policies, to improve work culture, to bring like that. So many things I have already given. And there is a tabulation also, wherein you could as well just, as a matter of fact, you would have been keep experiencing all these things in your office as well. The work you would have been keep working, and then you can recall those and then try to bring this. And here I have tried to explain as to what are all the things that I have supporting functions that are going to be there as one of the objectives there. I have tried to explain what is human resource planning, job analysis, recruitment and selection, training and development, performance appraisal, compensation planning and remuneration. And thereby, I have just tried to cover the answer only by around 700 words, so that when you keep writing them repeatedly, you should be able to recall that. And then when you go for the examination, at least you should be able to recall from your memory around 500 words by which you are going to satisfy the examiner or the question that is being asked. So henceforth, I will be taking such questions from various examinations that have been conducted so far and try to answer each of those, confining and conforming to the standards required by the Indira Gandhi National Open University, limiting it to 500 words, wherein I would be able to give you around 700 words so as to facilitate you to have more answer than what you are supposed to write there, so that by recalling from your memory, you can reproduce around 500. And this would definitely fetch you distinction in your examinations. Thank you.